Welcome back, guys. Just a short video here to give you some update on terms of how Monday evening's going to go in relation to your examination. So look, I've got two options in terms of the way it's going to work in terms of actually receiving the email or receiving the examination. First of all, I will be looking for you guys to go into your emails and I will send it to the emails which is been using all along. I'll do that about 1 minute to 6:30. I expect everybody to be online on Monday evening for around 6:15. If you are running late, you will need to inform me. But I will be having a little chat which is before the class. So the cutoff will be around 6:30. You'll need to be online before that time, obviously, as well. So what do you need to do? Well, you go into your email and you'll open up the document. And when you open up the document, you're gonna see something a little bit like this. So you'll have a document which I will have sent you, and it'll come up on your screen something like this. Once you've received that and we hit 6:30, you're free to start the examination. But obviously prior to that, some of the things that are going to happen is you will have a camera. And I will be asking you to twirl the camera around the room, and obviously to just make sure that people aren't using phones or any sort of flip charts or notes that might be on the ground. And you'll be asked to do that again. At some stage during the examination and then at the end of the examination as well. Okay, so if this is me and the tutor has said, okay, it's 6:30, best of luck with your examination, off you go. I'll just log into this then and it'll be on my screen. Now obviously that image that you can see me down the bottom will still be on my screen, so I'll be able to tell if people are on it, if they're typing, and again with the examination we'll be looking at some of the added on features with Microsoft Works in terms of people going in and out of the document. So if I continually do this and I'm in and out of the document, it will show up on our system as well. So it's important to just be aware of that. Anyway, the first thing that you will do, so I'll just type in James J. Claffey, okay, and help if I done the correct name and the correct spelling. And there's all of the information. So the internal moderator is Emmeline Smith, the examiner is myself, and then obviously the date that it's on as well as the 31st of August. It's worth 60% of your total mark. And I just come down the information that I'd already gone through, which is prior to the week, was this. Now the key with this is you've got to have Microsoft Word in some format on your computer. If you don't, you need to let me know prior to Monday. You can't come Monday and say that isn't a viable excuse, and it won't be accepted as an excuse to why you didn't complete the exam, because of the fact that at this stage, 10 weeks in, everybody has sent me a Word document of some sort. So the instructions are there. The paper consists of section A, which is 10 short questions, and section B, 4 long questions. Stephen Costello asked the questions the other night, is there an option of questions? There isn't with the short course in sport, exercise, performance psychology. So you will be required to answer all 10 short and 4 long. Okay, so I'll scroll down, and this will be something similar to maybe what it looked like on Monday. So let's say this is an example of how to show you for Monday evening. So that's obviously not going to be a question. It's just a specific example. So you will have this information, and answer number 1, you'll just click down there. And so the question is, why is the moon important to the sun? Solace, the activities during the year. Again, I'll just be typing during the year are important weather constructs. So again, that's only a short one, but I'd really need to be writing another, at least a paragraph per answer for these short questions as well. Okay, so again, once I've answered that, I just scroll down the page and there's example question 2. So there'll be a question in there, and where it says type here, you just click over it, and then I just start to write my answer for question 2. This is an example of how I will be typing on Monday evening. And this is again, look, this isn't me being patronizing. This is ensuring that everybody, in terms of whether you're tech savvy or you're not tech savvy, this is important for you guys in order to be able to. So you will have 10 of them short questions, okay? You'll keep scrolling down, and eventually you'll come to a section like this, okay? It'll be section B, and it says answer all questions again, and it says please read the questions carefully. So again, this is just an example, but this is 10 marks now. So if you wrote a paragraph for 2 marks, you can imagine that you're looking for a good solid answer of at least a page in terms of what you're doing as your answer here on Monday evening. So this is answer one, long questions. So I'll scroll over this, and I want to find out how do I differentiate between the Greek and the Roman origins of battle. Please catalog the actions by both in the history of sports psychology. So again, probably a little bit of a meatier question that you're going to come up with on Monday evening, but it does give you good insight, and you can see with the difference with these ones then that I've actually left a full page then. Okay, guys, so that's literally just the majority of it there. We've gone through. You can see that the page is longer, and what do we need to do next? Well, what you do then is you will come across, and obviously because it's there, I press save. You know how to save a document at this stage. But on your one, all you will see was this. So the file name will say IBAT Sport and Exercise Psychology Examination 2020 new, and in that there, what I'm looking for you to do is literally I'm just going to put in James. Excuse me, I'm just going to put James Claffey, and I'm going to save that. I'm going to save that to my desktop. Okay, just an easy place to find it, I guess. Save that to my desktop there, and I go into where we've been looking. I come back to this part. So you will enter into your learning portal. Once you do that, with the learning portal, you'll come in there. Yeah, and once you're in the learning portal there, you will see the timestamp. Okay, you just don't need to go near that. But on the right hand side, you see the access to course notes. You'll click on that, and it will bring you into where you've been getting your notes all year in the Moodle. But as you scroll down, you'll see that actually there's a new part on it here, which is Examination Summer 2020. You'll click in there on Monday evening after you've saved your document, and down here where it says view grade all submissions, you'll actually be able to submit in there. And what I will show you is what that is. How it works on my part. So you will go there, and then you come down. This is the bottom part here. It says add submissions. Now obviously if you can look at it there, it's saying that you can upload it. The due date is Monday at 8:45, which means that we finish at actually 8:30, and at 8:45 that will go flat dead. You will not be able to access or upload after 8:45 Monday evening. So by hook or by crook, it has to be uploaded by then. Submissions will not be accepted via email. They cannot be accepted via email. So remember, you need to be able to upload that. And it's important that we do that then again. So you just click in there, and it'll ask you to add submission. Now, because the submission is closed, because obviously it's not released until Monday evening, I can't get in there, okay? But it will be open from about 6:15 on Monday evening then again. So do not worry about this little final part that I'm going to talk to you about. When you log into your Moodle today, you'll see all of this material, but you will not see Examination Summer 2020. I will be hiding that document until Monday evening at 6:15, and then you'll be able to access the document via email or on the Moodle from around 6:25 on Monday evening after we go through some of the other stuff again. Remember, you will need Microsoft Word to open the file. As I said, everybody's used at this stage. If you do have a difficulty or anything with Microsoft Word, you need to let me know prior to Monday evening. Again, we're touching 9 minutes, so I want to keep this as short as possible because I don't want people feeling overwhelmed. The examinations are coming on Monday, and everybody seems well prepared. The work that you have put in has been amazing as well. So I'm going to upload this now and send it across to you. Hopefully, people who are really tech savvy will not probably need this, but the ones who are a little bit worried about, how am I going to actually complete the exam? What way will it be sent? Of course, you're going to have to type it as well. You're not going to be able to write it. So once you do that and it's uploaded on Monday, along with your presentation over the next 2-3 weeks, they'll be corrected. They'll be internally verified externally verified. And once they are, then you'll have your results back. People who who need to resubmit presentations, there'll be time to do so. And people who need to redo the examination, I don't think that we'll have any of them, but if it needs to be redone, you'll be in contact with IBAT in relation to that as well. So look, guys, hope this video helps. I know some people were a little bit wary of it, but you will receive it via email, the examination on Monday evening, and it will be on the Moodle website, and it will be under Examination 2020, and that will be the same place when you finish. And save your file. Make sure to save your file as you go. Let's say it was me and I was in there and I'm typing, I type out my first answer, little one up here, the little USB, or sorry, the little floppy disk. I just click on that and it'll save it as I go, and I can keep saving it, and then at the end, then I'll save the document to my desktop and upload it from there. And once that's done, it's complete. Hopefully we'll be able to stay on online Monday evening for a quick little chat, and a little bit of a debrief in terms of everything as well. But for now, guys, thanks for listening in, and I hope that this helps.